Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I am just headed out to go pick up some groceries. I placed a BJ's order last night because I'm just trying to stock up on some things and just got a couple of things that we needed, like extra snacks, things like that for the summertime. I'm also gonna go to Aldi. I have my grocery list, but I figured BJ's is right down the street from Aldi, which is like 20-25 minutes away from me, so I figured just to save on gas, I mean, because gas is crazy, instead of making like 2 trips the following week, I'll just stock up and buy everything now. So I found a couple of things that are gonna be so good for Weight Watchers, which I am so excited. Hopefully they're delicious. We're gonna try them out today. I'll share everything with you, and then we're also gonna go through Aldi and see what we can find there as well. So I hope you guys enjoy these like grocery shopping videos, hauls, Weight Watchers, what I eat in the day, all that kind of stuff videos. So I have lots of that content coming. I'm also cleaning and decorating for the 4th of July, just like my summer decor. I'm actually doing that today and filming that as well. That will be a separate video. And then I just have like a few organizing things, and then I might do like some vlogs and stuff like that, like trying to keep on track for the summer. Another video idea I had of like going through and doing, because I use Weight Watchers, like the app obviously because I'm doing Weight Watchers, but kind of comparing Weight Watchers and like MyFitnessPal to see like your macronutrients and seeing fitting in like your proteins and all that kind of stuff. So I think I'm going to do like a comparison video and like what I like about each one. So let me know if that's something that you guys would be interested in. But we are going to head to Aldi first, because I already just have to pick up the BJ's order. So that is all set and I don't have to like go into the store, which is very exciting. So I will see you guys when I get back home. Alright, I'm done. I couldn't really film in there. It was kind of crazy, but look at all this whole cart I got for, I think it was like 104, 107. I don't know, I'll tell you when I get in, but I am going to unpack everything and bag it all up, because if you don't know, Aldi doesn't have bags and they just throw everything in your cart, which is kind of chaotic, but we'll figure it out. Trunk, or back seat, full of groceries. Now we gotta go pick up our BJ's order, but I just gave my carriage to a lady who had like a bunch of little kids. So it was like, you want my carriage? And she's like trying to dig out a quarter. I'm like, it's fine, pass it along, spread the love, share it with someone else. I'm listening to Sugarland. Ah! Remember them? I used to be obsessed. So Aldi's done. Like I said, I spent $107.69, but I bought everything on my list and more. Like I just grabbed a few extras of literally everything. Like I have a deep freezer. There's no harm in just stocking up on some stuff. We eat at home 80% of the time, so there's no reason to not stock up on things, especially like at Aldi when they're such good prices, because I hear, I'm not sure, that everything is supposed to go up like even more in the fall, like food prices and all of that. So I just want to be prepared, and if it doesn't go up crazy, then that's great, and we'll just go through our freezer and use it. But I'd rather be prepared than not be prepared. All right, so this is everything from Aldi, and this is everything from BJ's. So I'll start with BJ's on the floor, because if not, I'll forget. I got these 0 sugar vitamin waters. It has the orange, the lemonade, what's the other flavors? I don't know. Rise, X, whatever that is. I don't know. I like these because there's no like artificial sugars, but there's electrolytes and all that, so it's a way better option than Gatorade. Stocked up on some pasta. There was a coupon, so I figured it's always good to have pasta on hand. We got some Pirate's Booty, some chocolate chips for baking cookies and baking muffins and all that. some Ziploc baggies. We don't use these very often, but we were running low, so I just grabbed someone to have because there was a coupon. Cheez-Its. Got a big thing of pretzels, some ground beef, the kids' favorite granola bars. I've been trying to really pay attention to, I didn't look if it was on this, on the ingredients where it says, it doesn't have it on the pretzels, so that's good. But on all of this stuff, it says contains a bioengineered food ingredient, which I know it's GMO, but I don't know. Cheez-Its and the Chewy Dip bars, we won't really pass up on those, but especially these things that have like all the red dyes and all that stuff. So I thought these would be a much better option. So there's strawberry lemon, there's orange mango, blueberry pomegranate. The kids will like these, and they're organic, and there's no dyes or anything like that in them. Got some of this Bertolli sauce, again, just to have on hand for like a quick dinner and just for stocking up purposes. Some whipped cream, some cheese to go on burgers and grilled cheeses and sandwiches and all that. The Laughing Cow cheese at BJ's is the best price. It's like almost $6, but there's 3 of them in here, and these are 1 point on Weight Watchers. I got a big bag of organic broccoli. I got this is the chicken I was telling you about that I'm gonna try for lunch, and hopefully it's delicious. I couldn't find the blackened chicken, but the black pepper herb seasoned chicken breast strips are 0 points and just such a good thing to have in the freezer for me for like a quick meal. A big bag of apples and some unbleached flour. So that is everything from BJ's, and I think I spent $170 there. Onto this. It's kind of in no particular order, but I got some burgers for this weekend for dinner. Austin always has orange juice in the morning. Leighton asked me for some apple juice. I got some of this Pirate Booty, not Pirate Booty, like Smart Food, but it's the Aldi brand. Some Boom Chicka Pop. The kids and I all love this. There's no GMOs, there's no junk in it. Same with this brand of Smart Food. No GMOs, no junk. These frozen lemonade bars, same thing. There was no dyes, no junk, nothing in them. So I liked that. So I got a lemonade and strawberry lemonade. A big thing of sugar. So this is certified clean, no GMO, no nothing, pure cane sugar, and I really like this sugar. It is so good. I got some potato puffs, some steak fries, 2 bags of broccoli, again, just to stock up. They were like 95 cents. So I got some green beans, some cauliflower rice, some Rice Krispies, some of these cauliflower crackers. You can have 44 of these for 3 points, and that's a lot, and they're supposed to be like a good substitute for Cheez-Its. So I grabbed those. I grabbed some of these for the kids. There's no GMOs, there's no dyes, there's no nothing like that in there. So I got the small box of them to try. These, I just grabbed it because they were like $1, so I'm going to try to throw those in. And I think these had not as much junk, but it does have the bio-engineered food ingredients. So gross. 2 pounds of strawberries, lettuce. I got some of these popsicle molds, oh my god, popsicle molds, because I'm going to be making some popsicles for the kids. 2 big bags of green grapes, a bag of Granny Smith apples, a couple bunches of bananas, 2 cucumbers, and avocado. I'm going to make some avocado toast this week. Some feta for our salads, some mozzarella also for salads, and I've been making a cucumber mozzarella salad. It is so good with like balsamic drizzle. A small bag of the mini chocolate chips, some naan bread. We're going to make some little pizzas, a whole watermelon, some of these for Austin to try. I'll try them too. They're like the, I forget what they're called in the store, like fizz or something like that. But those all have like the artificial chemicals and stuff like that in it. And these do not have any dyes or any of that in there. So I got the orange mango, 2 classic lemonades, and a cherry limeade. So hopefully he likes these because I don't plan on buying too much soda anymore. I got this fruit punch. I do have some, but I figured we would make our popsicles with this. So I grabbed some coconut water to mix it with, just as with the summer and it being hot. Some 45 calorie bread, stocked up on some corn. I already showed you the little drink mix, some salsa, some apple cinnamon pouches, and 2 of these just hand soaps because we were running low. So that is everything. All right, we have all of our produce soaking. I soaked the berries and the grapes in white vinegar. Same with all of the apples. We are all stocked up, more than stocked up. I still have to cut up that watermelon. But I am gonna go take the kids in the pool. They wanna go swimming, so we're gonna go do that, but I have everything put away, pretty much organized. Our fridge and freezer are looking good. We are stocked. It's a big airplane going by. I don't know if you can hear it, it's really loud. But that is exactly what I am hoping to do, you know? Stock up our freezer, so in case everything does get crazy, we have some things on hand and we're not out there like panic shopping. Just every time I go grocery shopping, I'm just buying a few extra things here and there to just stockpile a little bit. So thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, I don't know if I started to say, I made a lunch at that chicken. I made lunch with that chicken. It is delicious. I did Mission tortilla wrap, a carb smart one or carb wise, whatever they're called. Lettuce, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of light ranch, some buffalo sauce, and that chicken. And it was so good. And it was 5 points on Weight Watchers. So good, so worth every little bit. So make sure, it is kind of expensive. It was like $20 I think for the bag, but I think it's worth it. I'd like to have something like that on hand for myself. So because like the chicken that I made the other day was like 6 points and I'm like, oh, so that's a lot of points to use up. So I like to just have that on hand for mainly myself. I'm sure I'll, you know, share a little bit with Kevin, but so good. And it's just good to have something else like you didn't cook that's easily prepared and you can just pull it right out. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions on anything or have any video requests as it pertains to Weight Watchers or really anything, let me know in the comments down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.